Trying to choose between Notion and Google Keep, both are popular, but which one is actually better for you? So let's break it down. First up, Notion. Notion is like a digital Lego set. You can create pages, tables, databases, wikis, and more. It's super flexible and perfect for organizing complex projects or building systems. Google Keep, much simpler. Think sticky notes on your phone, great for jotting down quick thoughts, lists, or reminders. Google Keep is incredibly easy to use, open, type, and done. No learning curve. Notion has a steeper learning curve, but it's also more powerful. Once you get the hang of it, you can customize everything from to do lists to full project dashboards. On mobile, Google Keep wins for speed and simplicity. You open the app and your notes are right there. Notion's mobile app can feel slower and more cluttered, especially for quick notes. So here's the thing. Use Google Keep if you want quick notes, voice memos, and simple checklists. It integrates well with Google Calendar and Assistant. And use Notion if you need advanced features like team collaboration, databases, templates, and long form content. So, which among the two is better? If you need fast, simple note taking, it's Google Keep. But if you're managing tasks, projects, or a digital workspace, Notion is the winner. Both tools are free, so try each and see which fits your brain better. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!